What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on another video, and today we got an unboxing. As I let you guys know, 2 days ago I hit on the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes on the exclusive access drop, and we finally have them in today, man, straight from Nike with the 2-day shipment, man. That's really the trend now, especially with all shipments being delayed and stuff like that. If you get 2-day shipment on most of these packages, you might get it within 2 to 3 days. If you get regular shipping, you might not get that junk for like 2-3 weeks, man. So it's people that still waiting on their Air Jordan 5 Fire Red shock drop pair that released, what, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, that was 3 weeks ago. But the key with Nike is to get 2-day shipping on all of your orders, man. It's only extra $5. And if you want your shoes ASAP like me, man, I'll be waiting on my packages. I would highly advise you guys to get that 2-day shipping, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel, man. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. And please smash that like button. The goal for every video is to surpass 200 likes, man. But help your boy out, man. Let's get to 300 likes on this video. Yesterday's live stream was super epic, man. If you missed it, man, you have to hit that notification bell so you know when I go live. We had like 1,000 people in the live stream last night anticipating the Air Max 270 Travis Scott Cactus Reacts, man. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that was donating in the live stream yesterday, man. And I want to say again, man, I appreciate everybody that was donating to the live stream yesterday. I want you guys to know that all of those donations will go straight to the channel, man, and for myself to improve on better quality, more unboxing and stuff like that, man. So I really do appreciate it. None of the donations went unnoticed, and everybody that even pulled up to the live stream did not go unnoticed, man. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. And also, man, if you do not follow me on IG yet, man, hit that link in the description box and follow me at DeVintage World. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing straight from Nike over these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, I am super excited to check these joints out. As you guys do know, I have the original Game Royal Air Jordan 1s that released, and I have the Royal ones as well, man. So I'm gonna pull them both out, kind of do a quick comparison with this video. I'm gonna save the reviewing on feed for maybe Sunday or Monday, one of the two, because I have a couple other unboxings, a couple other videos that I really have planned for you guys. But it definitely will be out before the actual release over these Royal Toes. So I know y'all like, man, stop talking, get to the unboxing. Let's get into this junk real quick. Like I said, man, I was super excited. Ones have been going crazy for me lately. Like, I've been wanting to cop every single one. And I am hearing that we might be getting them here at my local PX. So your boy might have to double up on a pair, man. So being in this quarantine, man, you spending a little extra bread on some of these sneakers because you're at home. You don't got nothing else to do. You got nothing else to spend your money on. No gas and stuff like that. And we finally have it, man. Check it out, check it out. I opened it upside down, of course, because that dress and stuff. Let's get it out real quick. Here you have it. Here you have it. The original, the OG Air Jordan 1 box with that Nike on top. Let's go ahead and throw this box out the way. I didn't get any receipt inside the box, so maybe it's inside the shoe, and it is not. It is not, man. Let's take the lid off real quick. Got the white tissue paper, of course, and bam! Check them out. Check them out, man. Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, and these junks looking like that quality is pretty nice. You guys check that junk out. The quality on these is super nice. And let me grab my other pairs to see how the quality is different from this pair and the original Game Royals. But let me give you guys a little quick preview of this one real quick. Got an extra set of laces, of course, but we're gonna save all that for the review. Let me grab the other pair real quick to see some of the differences between this one and the other one, man. Bam, here you have it, man. The original Game Royals that released, I think, like the month before I went to Germany last year, or that was like 2017. I forget when I went to Germany, but I got these right before I went and shipped off to Germany. These things are super hard. And they gave us a spin-off with the Royal Toes, man. So a lot of Royals in the collection. It's like my third pair of the Royal colorway. And of course I have the Royal ones back here. Let me pull these junks out real quick, like boom, boom. So this Royal has really been growing on me. You guys know I'm a big fan of the color red, but it seems like lately I've been copping a lot of shoes with blue in it. And like I said, we finally have the Royal Toes in this junk today. So let me show you guys both of them real quick. We got the Royal Toes right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Royals, one of the best Air Jordan 1 colorways in my humble opinion. And then we have the original Game Royals I released, what, 2-3 years ago. And the price on ones lately, if you save some ones, they still DS. They still got that crispy smell. Barely wore these junks. The resale value is climbing up high on pretty much every Air Jordan 1 I released 2-3 years ago, man. So if you have these and you got them DS, man, check StockX. You can definitely make you some bucks if you don't want to keep these in the collection, man. So back to these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Like I said, I hit on these on the exclusive access drop. A lot of people saying they was having trouble. A lot of people was like they had to clear the app just so they can get the exclusive access. Me myself, I went on to try to get my exclusive access. It was like you didn't have any. It was no access to be redeemed or anything like that. So I'm like, man, what's going on? Y'all just told me I had an early exclusive access, so I had to clear the whole app. Then I had to go into the shoe, of course, and do the whole purchase thing, blah, 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 blah. But we finally got them here today, man. And even people was on IG posting a lot of W's on these joints. I'm not sure about the availability on these guys. I'm hearing they're gonna be the same as the Core Purple 2.0s, but we are going to see. You guys already know, man, we've been going live for every single Jordan release, Yeezy release. We got nothing else to do. We all at home bored. So I am super happy that I can, you know what I'm saying, entertain you guys on a live stream. And like I said, last night live stream was super lit, man. That was the most epic live ever on my YouTube channel, man. So I really do appreciate everybody that pulls through to the live streams. We're going live tomorrow for the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Cop. You guys already know I got two pair. I got a pair over here and a pair on display over here on my other backdrop. So you guys know I'm a big fan of the Fire Red 5. And one of the things I did want to point out was people that didn't even have exclusive access was able to get some of these pairs, man. I don't know what the whole issue about that was, but maybe people was giving up on trying to get it, because I know they sent me error messages and they probably sent other people error messages. It was like, man, whatever. They never hit on anything, so they gave up. And people that did not have exclusive access was able to go back on the second wave. They did like a restock on the exclusive access, and those people were able to go back and get a pair of these Royal Toes, man. These are super fire. As you guys do know, we kind of got like the bread ones, we got the black toe ones, and then we got the red toe ones. There's a lot of different ways that Jordan kind of like switches up the silhouette, but these right here just like a blue version of the bread toe ones. So I'm about to grab right now real quick, man. So here you have it, man. We have the Game Royal toe ones, and we have the bread toe ones, man. Very fire. I'm really liking how Jordan Brand switching it up. I do wish we can get like a bread one, a Chicago one, just a regular Chicago one and bread one to release, because those are two shoes that I definitely need in the collection. There's a couple other ones that I really need, but it's like I'm really leaning heavy towards me wanting to get the bread ones in Chicago's. I just don't want to spend that $1,000+ on both of those sneakers, because there's other sneakers that maybe I feel like should be worth a little bit more and that I'll be willing to go get. But you guys already know it's been a moral of the story my whole YouTube channel career. Your boy needs a pair of bread ones in the collection. So Jordan Brand, if you listen to this, please bring it back out. And once they do actually come out, your boy is definitely doubling up on those and the Chicago ones. Whatever resale I gotta pay, you guys already know if it's another restock or another release on the shoe, the resale value is gonna definitely drop. So two pairs shouldn't be hitting for that much. All right, man, that is it for the unboxing over these Air Jordan 1 Game Royal Toes. You guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you picked these joints up. Let me know if you got them on the second wave of the restock on exclusive access, which is super confusing. I know me saying that is, but let me know if you were able to grab these joints down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel, man. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video or a live stream. Like I said, I'm gonna say it again, we're going live this upcoming Saturday for the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red live cop, which are right here. Can I grab them? Oh, boom, boom. We're going live for this release. Smash that like button to go for every video is to get 200 likes. But right now with this video, let's get this junk up to 300 likes. I know y'all can do it. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. Of course, it will be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's live stream over the live cop, over those Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds, man. Peace.